In today's video, I will show you how to make a lovely peach cheesecake. First, you're gonna need one of this rubber coat, and I'll be using the base. We're using digestive biscuit for the base. So go ahead, just pre-break them up. Put the biscuit in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bliss the biscuit up to soften it up. So next I'll be adding the butter to this. Next we're gonna get our baking pan. Let's go ahead and pour this in. This way you create a base. Depends on how thick you want it. And get yourself a spoon. And it's all about to press it down. Make sure you press it down. Press it down in the corner, or you can use a glass just to create your base. Next, we're gonna put this in the fridge to relax about 4 or 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do with this now, I'm gonna make the other part, which is the filling. So I'm just gonna use one of the peach, and I will use in some of the water over this to blend it. I'm just adding a little bit to it to add to the filling. So I'll be using some Philadelphia cheese in this. And I'm gonna add some vanilla also. I'll be adding some sugar to this. As you know, it's dessert, so I have to have a bit of sugar in. I'll be adding some double cream to this. So it depends on how much you want to add. I'm gonna put about 3 spoons in this. I'm gonna add some gelatin to this. And I'll be adding some hot water over it. Now I'll be adding the puree to this. Then I'll be pouring some of the gelatin in. So this is almost ready. So I'm just going to use my hand whisk. Just to whisk this out a little bit. Now we're gonna pour our mixture in. So just set this in the fridge now for it to relax. Reason why I'm tapping it down is to let the air come out of it. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it relax. See you in a bit. This is the juice that come off the peach. So I have here the juice, some vanilla, and I'm going to add some gelatin in this. So I will leave this and set it aside and to pour over it. So now our cake is out the oven. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to lay these right around. You can lay it however you want it. So after you finish everything, the mixture which I made, just pour straight over it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I'm going to let this set and I'll cut into it like you seen it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment.